All right, this is Vegard Hammer with Huddly. We're here at InfoComm Las Vegas, and I want to talk to you about what Huddly is doing with our Google partnership. Now, Google has been partnering with Huddly since our release of our first device, our first collaboration camera, back in December 2017. We're really happy to be doing this with Google. We have set up here at our booth at InfoComm a Google Meet kit featuring our camera. You can see this in our little huddle space here with our couches, how the near field of view, wide field of view lens allows us to pick up video even though you're really close to the screen and to the camera. It makes this kit really flexible and work in small and medium-sized meeting rooms. The Huddly camera is also on display at the Google booths, so go check that out. And please come to us, have a coffee, and talk about what we can do for you with the Google Meet Kit and the Huddly camera. Also, check out our website, huddly.com. Thank you very much.